Hello students, today I will discuss multiplication of 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers using Vedic mathematics. So Vedic mathematics is actually an ancient Indian mathematics which is very much useful to faster calculations like square of number, cube of number, multiplication of numbers and many more. Okay, so let us discuss what is the method in case of Vedic mathematics whenever you want to multiply 2 by 2 digits and 3 by 3 digits, right? So before to know this, first you have to know what is vertical multiplication, then crosswise multiplication, then vertical and crosswise multiplication. Okay, suppose you have two numbers 2, 3 and vertical multiplication is nothing but 2 into 3, that is 6, right? Very simple. Now say your number is AB, then its vertical multiplication will be AB. Say you have number 2A and 2B. So vertical multiplication of these two will be 2A into minus 2B, that is minus 4 of AB. Okay, right? So this is known as vertical multiplication of any two numbers, okay, or any two digits. Now move to the second one, which is crosswise. So crosswise multiplication of two numbers, two digits. Say you have A, here is B, here is C, here is D. That is, we are multiplying AB with the digits CD, right? So the answer will be the product of A and D, that is A into D, plus product of B and C, that is B into C, which is nothing but AD plus BC. Okay, so this is in general method. Now in case of number, so choose number. Say you have 2, 3, there is 1, 2, that is crosswise multiplication will be equal to here 2 2s are 4, right here 2 into 2, 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3, it is 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7, which is crosswise multiplication. That is 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 3, that is 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay. So suppose you have 4, here is 5, 3, 1. So the answer will be, but crosswise multiplication 4 plus 3 5s are 15, which is equal to 90, right? So take one more. So you have 5, 6, 2. So your crosswise multiplication here will be 2 2s are 4 plus 6 5s are 30, that is 34. Okay, so this is your crosswise multiplication. Now the last one, vertical and crosswise. In this case you have to operate both. You have to do both operations here. One is vertical, another is crosswise. So that is, you have to do like this. So you have number A, here is B, C, D, so here is F, then G. Now vertical and crosswise multiplication, the result, that is answer. So you have to first do either vertical or crosswise, no problem. So write here AG plus CD plus BF. Alright. So this is your vertical and crosswise multiplication. So take one example. Say you have 1, 2, 3, 4 to 1. Take here 5. Now what will be here? Whenever you use vertical and crosswise, so what will be the answer here? So first you have to do the crosswise. So 1 1 that is 1 plus 3 4 that is 12 plus 2 5 that is 10. So that is 22 plus 1 23. So these operations are very much important if you want to do multiplication in Vedic mathematics. So take one more example, right? Say 5 4 1, 2 3 say 2. So we want to do vertical and crosswise operation for these numbers. So here 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 4 3s are 12. So now add this. So if you add, so here 12 is 24. So this is your vertical and crosswise multiplication. Okay. Now move to the main part, that multiplication of 2 by 2, that is 2-digit numbers, by Vedic mathematics. Now for 2-digit numbers, the method is, first we have to multiply vertical, then crosswise, then vertical. Suppose you have number AB, CD. So must first multiply this B into D vertically, BD will be vertically, then crosswise will be ABCD, then again vertically AC. So that is, here will be BD, vertical multiplication, crosswise AD plus BC, then again vertically AC. So this will give you the answer of product of 2 digits number using Vedic maths. So take one example. Say you have this number. So first one is vertical multiplication, that is B into D, last one. So that is 1 into 3. So that is I am writing here the same way. So here 1 into 3 is 3, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 2 3s is 6. So answer will be 693. So this is the multiplication of 21 into 33. Whenever you know the method, you can skip this step, right? Okay. So take another example where you can multiply by using Vedic method. So you have multiplication of this. So first multiply vertically, 5 into 7 35, carry 3, then crosswise 21 plus 2 5s are 10, 21 plus 10 which is 31, 21 plus 10, right, 31, 31 plus 3 is 34, 4, and again carry is 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 3 9, which is the required answer. Okay. So how fast you can multiply 2 by 2 digits using Vedic mathematics? But in case of traditional method, if you want to multiply, you have to write 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 3 is 24, then give you a multiplication sign, 2 5s are 10, 0 carry 1, 3 to the 6 is 7. So now add this 5, 4, 9. So this is your answer by normal method. This is by Vedic mathematics. You can write in one line. So this is very much faster than the normal method. Okay. So this method is very much helpful when you go for competitive exam. So you must remember this, right? Got it? So you can multiply very quickly 2 by 2 digits using Vedic mathematics, right? So take more, last example. So you have 38, you have 25, want to multiply in one line. First 8 5s are 40, so 0 carry 4, 3 5s are 15, plus 16. So 15 plus 16 is 31. 31 plus 4 is 35. Again carry 3. Then 3 2s are 6. 6 plus carry 3 is your 9. This is your answer. Now do this in normal method. So you have to multiply 8 5s are 40. 0 carry 4. 15. 3 5s are 50 plus 4 is 19. 2 8s are 16, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, 7. So 0, 5, 9. This is your answer. Okay. So this is all about multiplication of 2 by 2 numbers using Vedic mathematics, right? Now multiplication of 3-digit numbers using Vedic mathematics. So here the operation will be like this. First here vertical, then crosswise, then vertical with crosswise, then crosswise, then vertical. So you have to do 5 operations in case of 3-digit number. So consider you have ABC and PQ, say S. Now then you have to do 5 operations here. First is vertical. So CS, this is the vertical operation. Then here is crosswise. Then crosswise of this number QS. Then vertical with crosswise means you have to take all this number PQ. Then again crosswise AB, take this ABBQ, and then vertical. So this one is crosswise, this one is crosswise with vertical, this one is crosswise, the last one is vertical. So here will be CS if you multiply, and crosswise multiplication will give you BS plus CQ. Then here vertical with crosswise AS plus BC plus BQ. Here crosswise AQ plus BP, and here AP. So this is the procedure to find multiplication of 3-digit numbers using Vedic mathematics. So first vertical, then crosswise, then vertical with crosswise, then crosswise, then vertical. So these are total 5 operations are here. So take example. Suppose you have 1 2 3. So first try with the simple digits. Then you can do, whenever you know the method, you can do for the bigger digits, for say 9 8 7, like this. So 3 1, say here is 4. So first vertical, 3 4s are 12 and carry is 1, right? Okay, first one write explicitly. so that you can do easily. Right here 3 4, then crosswise, for crosswise 2 1 3 4, then for vertical with crosswise the whole digits, and then crosswise, then vertical. So first vertical multiplication here, 3 4s are 12, carry is 1, 2 4s are 8, 8, 3 1s are 3, 8 plus 3 is 11, carry is 1, so here will be 12, again carry 1. Now here 4, 4 1s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 plus 9 is 30, 2 1s are 2, 13 plus 2, that is 15, carry is 1, so here will be 16. Now again carry 1. Now here 1, 1s are 1, 1 plus 6, 7, carry is 1, so here will be 8, and the last one, 3 1s are 3. So this is the answer. You can write in one line for multiplication of 3 digit numbers. Now if you do in traditional method, 3 1 4, so you have to multiply here 4 times. 3 4s are 12, 2 4s are 8, carry 1 is 9, 4 multiplication sign, 3 1s are 3, then 2, then 1, again multiplication sign, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Now add this 2, 12, 6, 15, 16, carry 1, 6 1 7, 8, then, so this is the answer. So this method is traditional method and this one is Vedic method. So you can write the answer in one line, but in case of normal method you need time, much more time. So this is very much faster than the normal method. Now try another example. Five, 4, 3. So 2, 3, 6. So you can write the answer in one line, right? Yeah. So 3 6 are 18. 8, carry is 1. Crosswise multiplication. 24 plus 9. 24 plus is 33. Carry is 1. 34, carry is 3. Now vertical with crosswise. 5 6 are 30. Plus 6, 36. 36 plus here is 12, which is 48. Carry 3 is 51. Then carry 5. Now again crosswise. 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 plus 5 is 28. Carry 2. Then crosswise, then vertical. 5 2s are 10, carry 2, 10 plus 2, 12, which is the required answer. Okay. So you can, in this way you can multiply 3 by 3 digits using Vedic mathematics. So the, okay. So the last one. Take, so you have 5 6 is 7. So 7 1s are 7, then 21 plus 6, 27, carry 2, then crosswise 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 18 is 37, 37 2, carry is 39, carry 3, 12 plus 15 is 27, 27 3 is 30, carry 3, again 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, which is the required answer. So you can multiply within 10 seconds, right? 10 or 15 seconds. But if you want to multiply this one, 2 3 1, 5 6 7. So you have to write here 7, 3 7 and 21, 1 carry 2, 14 plus 1 16, then 6 1s are 6, 3 6 are 18, carry 1, 1, 6, 12, the third, 12, 13. Now multiplications here 5 ones are 5, 3 5s are 14, carry 1, 5 2s are 10, carry 1, so here will be 11, 7, 7, and here 19, carry 1, 8, 9, 10, carry 1, 1, 2, 3, then this. So in case of basic maths, you can write multiplication from left to right or right to left, no problem. You can write anyone. You can write from left to right. You can start from this one, and you can start from this one. So you can multiply in basic maths in a very quicker time, right? So this is the multiplication of 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. Okay. So now what about 3 into 2 or then 4 into 3? Okay. So in the next video, I will discuss the multiplication of 3 into 2 or 4 into 3 numbers. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel to get more videos on Vedic mathematics, and you will get many more interesting videos related to Vedic mathematics. Thank you for watching this video.